Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on keyboard. Let's start with the fundamental controls. To get your vehicle moving, press W to accelerate forward and S to apply the brakes or reverse. For steering, use it to turn left and D to turn right, allowing you to navigate the diverse environments. Don't forget the space bar. It's your handbrake, perfect for drifting or quick stops. Now, let's dive into some more advanced maneuvers and camera options. For those who prefer manual transmission, you can shift gears up and down using the Q and E keys, giving you greater command over your vehicle's performance. To get the best view of the action, simply press C to cycle through the different camera perspectives. And if you want to explore the world freely, hold Shift and press C to enter the free camera mode. Managing your game and vehicles is straightforward with the keyboard. Whenever you need to adjust settings or access different game modes, simply press the Escape key to bring up the main menu. If your vehicle gets into a tricky situation or flips over, a quick press of Ctrl plus R will instantly reset it to its previous stable position. To switch vehicles, just hit Ctrl plus E to open the vehicle selector and pick a new ride. To truly master BeamNG Drive on a keyboard, here are a few helpful tips. First, try to be gentle with your key presses. Feathering W, A, S, and D will result in much smoother driving and less abrupt movements. The handbrake, activated by the spacebar, is incredibly useful for initiating controlled slides or making sharp, quick turns. Finally, don't hesitate to experiment with the various camera views by pressing C. Finding your preferred perspective can significantly improve your driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.